What is up, guys? Flourishlight here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on a magic trick that I have had in my repertoire for a very long time, and it's a great trick. Imagine this: you have a pack of playing cards that is mixed up. Okay, they're all different. Every card in the deck is different. Every one of these cards are. And you ask the spectator to think of anyone they want. They can mix the cards up. You can even mix them up. And here's the best part. At the end, you ask them to think of their card, keep thinking and thinking of it, and boom, just like that, you can tell them what their card is and read their mind. It's pretty impressive and pretty crazy. So let's do a performance of it, okay? So I want you guys to say stop anywhere. Let's say you say stop right there, okay? I'm going to show you the card, but I will not look at it, okay? I will not look at it, I promise. All right, just want to take my word on it, all right? I don't know what this card is. I did not look. All right, I'm gonna lose it into the middle of the deck, just like so. And we can give it a few cuts, shuffles. All right, it's somewhere lost into the deck, like so. Now, I'll even give it one more cut for just good luck that it's lost. Okay, so I'm going to go through these cards. All right, if you see your card, all right, don't give me any signs or anything. All right, just think of your card. Okay, just think of it, right? If you see it, all right, just don't give me any signs or anything like that. And if you did, that'd be pretty crazy because you're not even here right now. But I want you just to think of your card, okay? If you see it in there, hopefully you did. All right, I didn't make it disappear, I don't think, but I want you to just think of your card, okay? Think of it. Is it red or black? Okay, is it red or black? It's red, isn't it? Yep. Hearts or diamonds? We'll go with diamonds. It's a number card, isn't it? Yep. Low, high, medium, low is low. It's 2, 3, 4. It's a three. Is 3 diamonds the card you're thinking of? And just like that, there's your thought card. Let's learn how to do that. Okay, guys, this is the tutorial for this magic trick. I'm gonna try to make it as quick as possible and explain in much detail as I can. So the method of doing this, all right, is called the key card principle. What is the key card principle? Well, basically, it's a selected card that you know what it is and the location of it. Generally, it's normally on the top or the bottom of the deck. And in this case, it's going to be on the bottom, all right? You're going to be using the bottom key card principle, all right? And what is the key card? Well, basically, it's a locator card that finds the spectator's card, all right, for you. So basically, this key card, it does all the work for you. So what's the great thing about this is if you're a beginner magician, or, you know, it doesn't even matter if you're an experienced magician, it does all the work for you. You can just basically sit back and relax. And you can milk this effect and make it as crazy and fun and mind-blowing as possible. So, you need to know what the bottom card is. There's a few before you do this trick. All right, so ask the spectator to mix the cards up. While they're mixing the cards up, you sometimes can see the bottom card. So when they mix them up and hand them to you, if you notice the bottom card, boom, you're good to go. All right, let's say they mix them up and you don't see the bottom card. You can turn the cards over and be like, hey, is all these cards mixed up good? And be like, yeah, okay. So then when you did that, you literally just looked at the bottom card, but they didn't know that because you're giving an example, a reason to turn the cards over. Like, hey, these are mixed up, right? They're like, yeah, okay, let's go with the trick. Hey, if you would, pick a card and go about that. Another method is, so once they mix them up, handing you the cards, like you would, select a card, think of it. While they're looking, you have all the misdirection and time in the world just to do that. Literally, just go like that and you know what the bottom card is. Another method is hold the card in mechanic's grip, go into middle, turn like this, okay? And look at it like that. Again, mechanic's grip, middle, and boom, just go like that. But do that on the offbeat while they're looking at their card. Once they hand you their card, don't then do that, because they'll be like, what the heck did he do? They may not say nothing, and they may call you out. So do this on the offbeat. When they're looking at their card, showing it to all their friends, just go like that. So once you know what the bottom card is, ask them to place their card on top. Then what you're going to do, you have to do this, guys, is a complete cut. Because what you're doing is you're putting the bottom card on top card. All right, their top card is a 10 of hearts. Because look, their card, 10 of hearts, your bottom card is going on top of their card. They don't know that. So if you just go through the cards right now, you'll see their card just like right beside of it. Okay, so example, 7 hearts. Your key card, their cards, jack of clubs. I cut the cards. look for 7 of hearts. Boom. It's always going to be on the right side, the first card beside your locator card, your key card. Always. It's never going to be this or the next one. It's always going to be that one. And here's the good part is do a bunch of cuts. You can do, it has to be complete cuts though. And you can let them do it, but you got to explain to them like, hey, if you would cut the cards. All right, complete cuts like poker. I always say like poker because when they hear poker, like, oh, it's like poker. So that must mean, oh, this is how you officially cut. Because you'll see some people go crazy, and I'll show you what I mean. But anyway, look, at all those cuts, the deck doesn't really get rearranged much except the bottom top card. Look, it's right there. But if they go about doing crazy stuff like this, oh my gosh, it ruined the trick. Like, you cannot find their card now. Because if I go through it, let's see here. I mean, see what I mean? Like, it's just, no, it's still luckily. But normally it doesn't, all right? And also, if they take the cards and do this shuffle, oh my goodness. Trying to find their card, the chance is probably blown. But here's one thing you can do, right? When you look at the bottom card and they place their card on top, cut the cards, and then you can do a overhand shuffle, and you may get away with it, okay? So, 7 of spades, key card, this joker, okay? Let's actually use a different card than the joker. Let's go with the 8 of clubs, all right? 8 of clubs. All right, but you don't know that. 7 of spades. Give a mix, like so, and boom, just like that. There it is. And yeah, and that's another thing is it's sometimes gonna be like that. And a big note is, if you're in this position, you see your key card, but hey, there's nothing aside of it. Like, where to go? Like, the card's gonna be on top. All right. Sometimes when you actually mix the cards up, they will go like that. Okay, but 7 of spades. Boom, there it is. So one more last time, and how you do the trick again, all right? This is how I do it in real time. If you would mix the cards up, they mix the cards up. Oh, I didn't see the glimpse, okay. That's what you're thinking in your head. So you spread the cards out. If you would pick a card, look at it, take a look at it. All right, I don't want to see it. You do your glimpse. If you would, place your card back on the top, okay? And you already know what the glimpse is, all right? So you tell them to place it on top. I'll tell you what, we'll lose your card into the middle of the deck, okay? I forgot the glimpse, okay? So it's two of clubs, okay? So we'll mix the card into the deck, okay? And we'll just give it a few cuts, all right? All right, is that good? And they'll be like, yeah, it's good, all right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spread the cards out, and I want you just to, if you see your card, don't give me any hints. At the end, just be like, yeah, I seen your card. I just want to show you that, hey, your card still is in here. I didn't make it magically disappear or anything like that, okay? Did you see your card? You did? Okay, if you would, I want you to think of your card. Is it red or black? And then just go about that and build it up, okay? And then you can be like, King of Diamonds, you know? And if you want to, you can just take their card out and be like, boom, is that your card? But that's not as impressive. But like I said, if you just be like, hey, is that your card? I don't think that's as impressive as, you know, reading the mind way. But if you wanted to, you could take like 2 cards out, and then you could really like make it like pretend that's difficult, like you're trying to think, but you narrowed it down to these 2 cards, and then you'd be like, you know what, I believe this is it. What was the card you was thinking of for the first time? And you're building the intents up, and they're like King of Diamonds, and you just boom, it's like that. So that's another reveal you can do. There's a lot of reveals you can do though, so have fun with this. If you want to turn the card over and reveal it, if you want to read their mind, do what you want to do. All right, this is going to be your trick, okay? You're the performer. Go about it and have fun. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you want more tutorials like this, make sure to press that like button and subscribe, all right? So anyway, guys, hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And, yeah, I got more great videos coming. Anyway, guys, peace out.